Bullish SPEL token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0, $0 2030. Market experts accept SPEL could reach $0 2025. Bearish SPEL token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. SPEL token presentation. SPEL token is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Essentially, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up guarantee in return for its stablecoin, $MIM. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like auth since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $XSushi, and different bend, curved tokens as security. Abracadabra additionally offers yield-cultivating open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate SPEL token. The undertaking was established by Daniel Sesta, who is likewise answerable for Popsicle Money and Wonderland, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, fellow benefactors of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and aggregately distinguish themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Regardless of the eccentric name, Abracadabra's prosperity justifies itself. Last year, it created a normal of $2.2 million every week in charges and around $5 billion in TVL. Moreover, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. Abracadabra Money is a decentralized crypto loaning stage that permits clients to collateralize computerized resources in return for stablecoin credit. In any case, Abracadabra is remarkable in that it uses interest-bearing tokens, a sort of liquidity supplier token, as guarantee. These IPKNs are turning out to be progressively normal all through the decentralized money space. They produce constant returns, expanding in esteem the more one holds them. This development assists Abracadabra and its auxiliary innovations with enjoying SPEL token and sorcery web cash aside from the current DeFi loaning stages accessible. SPEL token is right now worth $0. SPEL has moved 2.56% as of now with an exchanging volume of $10,071,330. SPEL token is at present position 924 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $82,803,377 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for SPEL token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous SPEL token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. SPEL token value expectation 2023 SPEL token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The SPEL cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. SPEL is supposed to have a base worth of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2024 of every 2024. SPEL token SPEL cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SPEL will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the SPEL's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. SPEL might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. SPEL token value expectation 2026. Assuming that SPEL token effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the SPEL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SPEL will be green in 2026. The SPEL is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the SPEL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, SPEL has a most extreme value worth of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that Spell figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help Spell needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Spell token value expectation 2029. While Spell is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Spell token value forecast 2030. By 2030, Spell token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Spell token value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Spell cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. What is the Spell token cost today? Today, Spell token is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $82,803,377. Is Spell token a wise speculation? Spell token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that Spell is a decent decision of venture. How high can Spell token go? The typical cost of Spell token might perhaps reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Spell token might outperform $0. What amount will Spell token be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prominence of digital money and Spell token, a drawn-out interest in Spell could see the value ascend to $0 the following 5 years. What amount will Spell token be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Spell token today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Spell might actually ascend to $0 the following 10 years. What will the Spell token cost be in 2024? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2024. What will the Spell token cost be in 2025? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2025. What will the Spell token cost be in 2026? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2026. What will the Spell token cost be in 2027? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2027. What will the Spell token cost be in 2028? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2028. What will the Spell token cost be in 2029? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2029. What will the Spell token cost be in 2030? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2030. What will the Spell token cost be in 2031? Spell token cost is supposed to reach $0 2031.